Knowledge is more easily grasped when you receive a hands-on education. It brings new perspectives and viewpoints that are uniquely yours into focus. At Hawaii Pacific University, a deliberately intimate learning environment, including classroom study and experiential learning, empowers you to get up close and personal with the subjects you're passionate about. Along with the sort of unmatched diversity that only exists at the intersection of East and West, of urban campus and island paradise. You'll graduate more highly educated and both market and world ready. Because you've seen for yourself, and you can think for yourself. You've gained first-hand personal insights and the professional experiences you need to enjoy a successful career and to live the extraordinary life you want. Look closer. See further. Do more.